was gonna bite that finger.
I got a flashlight advertising on TV on my side. Big cake sitting on the table. The guy hears something, gets up with his new flashlight, puts it on the cake. The big old dog there eating it.
And we're gonna like these. Can you blow? You know how to blow? Can you go? Okay, we're gonna. I don't know if this is a good one or not. It must. Oh. It'll melt the whole candle. Okay, let's sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anna. Happy birthday to you. Okay, you want to blow them out?
Now blow them out.
Blow them.
Blow hard.
Blow that one. Blow it again.
Get a little closer to it.
Blow it.
One more time.
Blow real hard.
Go.
Ah, there, with a little help.
Yeah, you got it.
Yay! Okay, we'll take the candles out. She was so little last year, she didn't really remember. Okay, let's get a knife.
I guess the third year. Yeah. Third year when they really started remembering everything. She might remember this next year. You can't ever tell that kid.
I guess the earliest I remember is when he was 3.
She'll watch it from now on, though.
We had a real bad car wreck when I was 3. And I remember that.
Yeah, that camera would remind her of it. She stares that one too.
You like that icing, don't you? Now, there's nothing wrong with this cake. I just used some green ice and I had left over from a cake I made yesterday. So.
It's a rainbow cake.
It's a rainbow cake, yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Listen, yeah.
You can't sing.
I just showed you, Pawpaw. Well, I just got icing all in your hair.
Ice cream.
Okay, hold on. Let me cut Dad a piece. I need to get everybody a fork or a spoon. What would y'all rather have? Fork or a spoon? Well, that's probably a Christmas present. Okay, you have to tell us, Grandpa, which ones are...
Okay. This is from Pawpaw. Can you open it? Open it right here.
Yeah, we wrapped it too.
My goodness.
Oh, you'll like that. Legos.
Make a big mess with them, can't you?
Your mama used to play with us when she was a little girl. Last year she was more interested with the boxes and the packages than she was with what was in them.
You know, you can find a lot of things for little boys, but little girls, you can't find this much. Well, I couldn't, you know, I just...
Yeah. Well, she likes little boy stuff. He's got tomboy in it. Yeah, you know how to do it. Just pull this up. Pull it up, yeah.
What is that?
Corn.
We'll take it out of the bag. Can you take it out of the bag?
You like the Flintstone. Stupid, he said when he said it.
Yeah, you have to be careful sometimes. One of these days you'll be telling family secrets. I tell you, we better be careful what we say.
Yeah, they're like a recorder.
Scary when you think about it.
Help her, darling. Get it out.
Watch it, it makes a noise. Yeah, like. Put the people in it. Let's get the people out of it.